What's up, garden lovers? Welcome to the new video. Now this video is the second video from our first video from the series. Now I have a little something to show you. Now tomatoes are very stressful when it comes to pests and bugs and birds eating our tomatoes. Now for this video I have discovered a tomato hornworm eating on our tomato. Now let's take a look at it. Now this little disgusting critter here is a tomato hornworm. Now as you can see, it has taken a bite of our little tomato and it is still devouring it. Now for most gardeners, they use pesticides. Now in terms of this, if you're an organic gardener, it's very stressful because taking care of your tomatoes organically is really a tough job to do. Now this here is called a tobacco hornworm. Some may call it a hawk moth. Now for me, I like to squash these bugs whenever I see them. Now as you can see, this one might probably be about, I think maybe 4 days old, because last time I came to check my garden yesterday, it wasn't here. So probably it was lingering somewhere around the garden until it climbed our tomato plant and started devouring a tomato. Now these critters, this is what they do to our plants. So for some gardeners, the advice would be, when you see your tomatoes becoming this size, you have to start using pesticides. So I'm gonna be a little bit honest. I did not think this would happen to my garden since I've planted marigolds, but it seems like I still have to plant some many more marigolds, because if I had marigolds around my tomato plant, obviously they wouldn't climb up the tomato plant. Now since this marigold is far from my tomato plant, this only means that it had enough time to climb and the air circulation from the marigold wasn't enough to distract it. So I have also learned something. So I am going to plant many more marigolds to protect my tomatoes, because the success rate of my tomato plant is coming very beautiful. Now as you can see, so this only means my tomato plant is going to be in more harm's way. So I have to protect it. I have to protect my tomato plant. So the mixture and the concoction that I love to use for my tomato plant is a mixture of marigold, sunlight liquid dishwasher, and cooking oil. And I sometimes use rosemary in the concoction. So I like to mix them and make them in a liquid state, and then after that I spray around my plants. Now this is very stressful, good people. We have lost a tomato right here, and it's very sad because I wasn't expecting this to happen. Because around my garden we have some garlic, so I was hoping this garlic was going to help us protecting our tomato. But this is a sign that what I've done isn't enough, so I have to plant more. But so far so good, good people. We haven't lost much. According to my observation, everything is still coming up great. Only one loss, and we're still continuing to grow. So I'm not worried, but I'm disappointed at myself because I did not see this early enough. Because in some circumstances, if you miss this kind of stuff, it only means that this insect will multiply and produce more larvae. And then this larvae will continue eating on the tomatoes. So sometimes this is called a tomato hornworm or a tobacco hornworm. And it will grow up to becoming a moth. So I'm lucky that I found it at this phase when it's still young and disturbed it to avoid producing more. But another advice is to plant your mint. Now, mint also produces a certain amount of aroma. So I've managed to plant it somewhere across the garden to make sure that I do not have insects like pests, like aphids, locusts, ants, and all of that. So, thank you.